Everyone, today I'm here with this 2017 Nissan Rogue, and it's perfect if you're looking for a spacious vehicle that has a backup camera and more. I'm Alana here at WowWoodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for the past 2 years, and you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this silver exterior color. You have some chrome surrounding your grille there with your Nissan badge in the middle, and then you have your halogen headlamps up front. This has a 2.5 liter engine, which is really efficient, gets you about 32 miles to the gallon on the highway. And then looking down at your wheels, those are 17-inch alloy wheels. This could fall under our smart warranty, and if it does, it would be our 5-year, 60,000 mile max care coverage and more. And to learn more about that warranty, give us a call here at WowWoodys. One of our friendly sales advisors will get you more information on that. Then looking at your side mirrors, they are power adjustable. So looking at these front seats, we have these black cloth seats. You have that pattern going down the middle, really comfortable seats overall. And then looking at your steering wheel, you have your cluster controls, media controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your cruise controls all on the front there. Then looking over at your media center, you have your CD insert up top to play your music there, or you have your radio options. You can subscribe to XM radio if you choose to. You can always listen to your own media devices too with your aux port, so you have your different menus. And then this does have a backup camera when you are in reverse, so that really helps with backing up, making sure there's nothing behind you. It's just really safe. So then you have your climate controls below that, and then you have a media hub with a 12-volt USB port and an aux port right there. Then 2 cup holders here in the middle, and then lots of room inside of your center console with another 12-volt. So let's look at the back seats. This back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here. You do have a cup holder armrest that can fold down in the middle. So you have 2 cup holders there, and then I also like how it gives you access into your trunk area. So fold that back up. You can also see that these seats can fold down as well. So it gives you lots of space. Making your way around the side, you have a little bit of a lip spoiler and your LED tail lamps back there, along with your all-wheel drive badging. So let's take a look into the trunk, which is super spacious. Just tons of room back here. I mean, it really gives you ample room for all of your stuff. And then you have some more space underneath right there. So overall, great vehicle. Love how much room there is inside and out. And then you have that great media center as well. So if you want to see this Nissan or any of our other vehicles, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that's quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates WowWoodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.